Hi guys, this is box 9 out of 9. Thredup Rescue Fun Box, 10 items, $34, ordered on February 8th, 2023. It is December 21st, 2023. And we're just going to jump right in. And if you have any questions, just life. Bubbles! Alright, first up, this is Stay Cooler Suzanne. Suggested retail for $36. This is a Vera Bradley. At first I thought this was a very large fanny pack, but it's a little cooler. That could actually come in handy. This could go really well at the beach. Let's see. I don't know. Pretty nice. Speaking of fanny pack. Oh, if only. I was hoping maybe it was one of those not Fabletics. Lululemon belt bag, but it's not. Classic. Fashion. New way to show yourself. Don't know that brand. I ain't gonna try to say it either. Whatever that is. After sale service. Dear customers, thanks a lot for your purchase. We back up our items. Their email is blah 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 hotmail.com. I have a feeling they're probably not in business anymore. But it is a little fanny pack. I mean, if you need it, you need it. I do have my fair share of fanny packs. So, kind of can't blame people. It's nice, cute, whatever. Probably not worth much. Double layer cozy socks, aloe vera infused. Oh, I'm excited about those. It'll be nice and warm and cozy. Oh, I can already feel it on the inside. Oh yeah. These are mine. You can have these. Medium, large, black, ladies ribbed, microfiber, dance. Tights, not dance, tants. They're tants. Little tights. Wait a minute. I already got some of these. These are the book club chunky chain. I guess I can combine them. This is crystal clear. Little chain, and I believe from the ends of them, I believe they are reading glass thingies. You put them on your glasses, so when you put your glasses down, they'll hang on your neck. Ooh, a sock with a pocket. Pocket socks. These might come in handy. Look at that. We got a little zipper. A little pocket sock there. Oh, that would come in a lot of handy whenever you don't want to carry a purse. Ooh, I'm keeping these. Those are mine. All in Motion, medium support, $20, extra large, one piece, lilac purple, Sports Bra. I can't even think. Sports Bra. All in Motion. What is that? Target? Yeah, Target brands. Oh, we got something. All right. Make it today. Create your own style. The side shawl, the long shawl, the front twist, and then something's been removed. But this is Papillon. But it is, I feel it really good. 100% rayon. Made from bamboo. It's like it's super soft. It is super soft. It's got buttons on it, so you can button it up and wear it all sorts of different ways. I have no idea what like the retail of this thing is. I can't imagine it being too much. But I don't know things. I'm slacking on knowing things. Oh, these are super soft. Awkward petting. These are just pants? Just pants. Live, Love, Lounge by Karen Neuberger. Blue dot. Size small. I might have to try these on. They are super soft. Are they still the same on the inside? Oh, yeah. Might have to try those on. This is the very last thing. Very last thing in all of the 9 fun boxes. And I bet you it's going to be the privy thing. Privy glasses. Privé Revaux. These are easy breezy. Beautiful cover girl. Black stripe. These still have like a bag around it. The other ones didn't. Are these like super brand new? Oh, those are cute. Little stripey stripe on the side. Black. Oh, you know, these might be good for my baby. I don't know. Anyway, they're cute. I don't know what glasses go for these days. There's a hole on the other side. We're good. We're good. All in one piece. Stick it right there. It's safe. All right. We'll make it extra safe. Yep, that's it. Empty box. What counts? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 items. It did tell me 10. So they were accurate. A couple useful things in there. Probably maybe gonna keep this for the beach. I may have way too many though. I don't know. I don't know. Definitely keeping the socks. And so that's it. So February, what, 10 months later? 10 months later, all of the fun boxes have officially been opened. But that doesn't mean that you're gonna see them 10 minutes after they were purchased. At this rate, it could be 10 months after I even open them. So, see you in what? May? June? I can't even add. I don't know. Anyway, toodles!